Hi math peeps, I've got Caitlin here who's going to help me with this question, and it looks really hard to begin with, but Caitlin told me what she did and it's amazing. So she said 54 times 1.5, and she said look, that doesn't seem that easy like that, but I'm going to show them what you did. So she split the 1.5 as 1 and 0.5. Now this is pretty easy, right? Because we're going to actually go 54 times 1 and then plus 54 times a half. So 54 times 1, what's that, Caitlin?
54.
Well, you got it. Nice math thinking. What's 54? Because this one might be a little bit harder, because 54 times 0.5. What does that mean? Like, how are you going to figure that one out?
Well, I know that 54 times 0.5 is the same as 54 divided by 2.
Okay, so I'll record this one. And even this one, like, I don't know that. Like, the number doesn't just pop in my brain.
So what I do is I split the 54 to 50 and 4 because I already know how to divide 50. So,
okay.
50 divided by 2 is 25.
Yeah.
And 4 divided by 2 is 2.
Oops, sorry. Plus 2. So then it's
25 plus 2 is 27.
Great. So then we're going to write 27 here. Now we've got to add 54 plus 27. How do you want to do this one?
So you always start with the smaller numbers first.
Okay.
So 4 plus 7, I know, is 11.
Okay, let me just write this so that people can see what you're doing. And here we go. So you said 4 plus 7 is 11.
Yes.
And then you're going to add 11 to this amount here. So this is what, 50 plus 20, which would give you 70 plus 11. So that's 81. All right. So then we can tell people the final answer then. So 54 times 1.5 equals
81.
Awesome, Caitlin. Great job. High five.
Hi everyone, today we're doing 54 times 1.5 and we have Mark to help us today.
Hey everybody, hi Anna. I hear you've got a great idea, a strategy for solving 54 times 1.5. You want to walk me through it?
Sure. So I'm going to pretend there's no decimal here.
Oh, so you're going to do 54 times 15. Okay. Yeah. And how do you want to solve that?
Well, I'm going to split the 15 into 10 and 5. Okay. And then 10 times 54, or 54 times 10, is 540.
Ooh, yeah.
Yeah. And then 5 times 54 is 270.
Ooh, how did you do that? How did you know that so quickly?
It's kind of hard to explain.
If this is multiplied by 10, which got you 540, and 5 is half of 10...
Yeah, I split that. And it's a little harder to explain because my mind's a little
different. But this number here, 270, is half
of 540.
40. Okay, all right. So now what do you want to do?
So I want to put it in a different way so I can add it together better.
Okay,
so
all right.
I want to put it 500 and then put a plus here, 40. And then same thing over here, 200 and then 70.
Okay.
It helps me think more.
All right.
Okay. So this
is
110. You can also add 7 plus 4. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Okay.
And you add a 0.
Okay.
And then this is 700. 5 plus 2. And
nice.
then you add 2 zeros.
Okay, so what is this together?
Well, this is 800 plus 10. 800 plus 10 is 810.
Ah.
But Mark, I ignored this earlier.
You did.
So now I have to move the decimal over from here to over here.
So you multiplied this by 10. So now we're going to divide this by 10 and you move the decimal place over once, which gives you 81. So what's 54 times 1.5?
So that means 54 times 1.5 is 81.
Great idea,
Thanks.
Anna.
Bye, everyone.